Y'all, what's up with the Connie? B-Click, I'm coming at you with a MUKBANG video that I promised that I would do. We'll do the spicy noodle challenge. Say hey, Eugene.
Hey.
This is what the noodles look like. I put some hot sausages in them. I got some cucumbers and dressing.
I want to know who's going to win.
I already know I'm probably not going to win, but we're going to try.
Place your bets, people.
We're going to try. Okay, so let's get ready for action.
Anybody thinks she's going to cry? How many people think she's going to cry?
Let me fix mine. How many clothes are there?
So I have to adjust my chair.
Come on, come closer. Oh, we got these peach beer, peach ale. We also got some water.
She's going to be the first one to drink the water.
So,
she's not into spice.
We're going to try it. Look how hot. So, we're going to try. See.
Not into spice.
Let me see if I can do it on this way. Oh, they got a little technical difficulty. Let me see. You think if I... Let me see. I'm just trying to get it. We amateurs to the MUKBANG game, but it's okay. You had to start from somewhere. But anyway, we're going to try to eat this and see how hot it is. I'm in a little bit for the camera. Chris Hash.
It's hot.
Chris Hash. Woo!
This is hot.
Oh my God. That y'all. That's just hot. Oh, burn. Your mouth burning?
No.
I got to have people hiccups.
It's good, people. You should try it. It's, what did you throw the pack away?
Just grab it. I can't even talk. I gotta drink something.
Drink your beer. Drink your beer. Drink the beer.
Ooh.
This is real good.
Real good and hot.
Oh, because she's an amateur.
This is like torture. Chris.
She's a real amateur.
This is torture.
Only to people. Only to certain people. I think it's good.
That's because you like hot food.
You too, you probably agree with me. I think it's good. This is my first time trying red, and it's really not that bad. It's really not that bad.
Yeah, it's good. The beer is good.
With the noodles, spicy noodles, What a combination. Great combination.
You sound like a white person.
Don't be hating on me because...
Well, I should say white people, a crazy person.
Because I like spice and you don't.
How do people eat this? Oh my...
This shit is bomb. You sweat?
Huh?
Do I have sweat beads on your head?
No, man.
No, she's sweating.
My damn temples is burning.
By the end of this, she would have drunken 2 to 3 bottles of water, guaranteed.
I need a bucket of water.
You gotta serve the flavor. You gotta let the flavor last. I'm gonna take small bites.
Oh. My bite's too big.
Yeah, you can't handle all the spice. So don't try to be like the big dog. If you know.
Look at that, y'all. What is that, 2? What made you like spicy food so much?
I don't know. Maybe because my mom was carrying me and she was eating spice. That's what I always thought. But I don't know, really. Maybe it's my bloodline. You know, like my ancestors and stuff.
I don't see how people do it. My lip burning.
You know, Indians are really into spice.
Oh.
So, might be that.
Yeah, the noodles are literally burning my lips off.
This is good, though.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it.
Oh, yeah.
I'll put like that. Shit, I like it. Oh, yeah.
Let's tell them about that little story time. We got this story for you, y'all.
Yeah, I'm crazy.
Wow. Once I get my lips together, I can tell you.
We're gonna sizzle off.
They are sizzled off. Okay. My mother, I used to live in this area where in the parking lot it was wooded. So one day, this is before me and him even met. My mother came frantic. I was like, "What's wrong?" She was like, "I was coming to your house and I heard something calling me in the bushes." So I was like, "Mom, you tripping?" My mother, always claims she something going on. So I just thought she, being extra. So I said, "Well, what happened?" She said, the person was like, "Hey, come here. Now there's somebody calling her, luring her to the woods." So I'm like, "Okay, what did the person look like?" She said, "It was like a dark figure. It was scary looking." So I ran. So I laughed it off. So she said, no. They kept trying to get me to come over there. and it was clear, but I think it's something, you know, evil over there. Oh, man, didn't think nothing of it. So, fast forward a year after that, me and him were talking, and we was parking in that back, because the way the complex was, if you get there at a certain time, you got to park in the back closer to the wooded area. So, one night, I think we was out, and we had to park in the back, further back.
Yeah.
You remember that, right?
Yeah.
So, we getting out the car. Now, it's like, what, 2 in the morning? Maybe 2, 3 in the morning?
3.
Like 3 in the morning. Like 3 in the morning. All we hear is a girl saying, help. How she say it, babe?
She was like, help. Help me. Help.
It was clear as day.
So we was wondering, we was
first
thinking
we was
of
stuck,
scenarios in our head of what it could
she
be.
Getting raped. We didn't know what it was, but it just didn't seem right. So then she was like, help. Help me. When she got louder or whatever.
Yeah.
Man.
She broke. She left me behind. And
I got ghosts. I didn't know what the hell it was, but I know I wasn't going to stay around to figure it out. So, it was creepy. And then I noticed a couple times I would park, back there I would hear like some wild noises. So, maybe my mother was onto something when she heard whatever she heard, because we heard the same thing, just in a different nature. You know, it's like something was always sounding like weird. And like I tell you, a couple times I parked back there, I would hear noises like somebody trying to call you over. So I don't know if it was a setup. It's just a setup person. I feel bad. I probably should have called the police or something. But my first instinct was to run. I'm just being honest.
As a black instinct, you know, something ain't right, you know, we get out of there.
Yeah, so that was crazy. Well, this is just a mukbang to break the ice. We got some more to come though, some nice ones, like we're gonna try to do a seafood boil. You know, really get that popping. So, bear with me, I'm working at it. Okay. It's coming.
Now, I'm starting to get to
Doing good though. Look at this. Look at me. He's the winner. I can't eat this hot shit.
And what do I win?
I gotta think on it. But you did it. You are the real MVP. But I can't eat this shit too hot. I can't. This is too hot.
Waste not, want not.
Nah, waste not, whatever. So, the winner is Eugene by unanimous vote. Peace and blessings, y'all. So we can bring this to y'all. Love you guys.
Peace, love, and soul.
Peace.